Ouais, Roberto Carlos, ouais, vraiment. Hali è vero. Oh, aku jangan lah. Li va faire belle affaire de moi. Non, mon cas, mec. La place. Ouais, ouais. Moi, il y a une erreur qui a fait ridicule. Qu'est-ce qu'il dit? Ouais, qu'est-ce qu'il dit? Ah, on mettait chez moi, il y a un petit bon. Non, bien. Non. Bien, mais qui a ça,
Well, everyone is happy here at Old Trafford for the time being. I say that because the sun is shining brightly. My name is Derek Ray, and my commentary partner on this occasion is Stuart Robson. And what we have coming up for you is FOT Squad Battles action. It's City versus Terriers.
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Committed challenge.
Hey, ridicule. I am boom, Nick, hein? Ah.
The first 11 for Terriers. David De Gea starts in goal. Virgil van Dijk plays alongside John Stones in central defence. And it's two strikers up front who look to provide the goal-scoring threat. We can get more details on that injury situation from our man pitch side, Jeff Shreves. Jeff?
Real concern for the Brents now, because it looks like he landed with his elbow underneath his body, and that's causing him some serious pain at the moment.
Cheers, Jeff. Vardy.
Même Van Dijk,
Kane. Must take the lead here, and they have. You've got to say, it has been coming.
Well, here it is again, and the striker does everything right, hitting it across the goalkeeper, making it difficult for him, and then a player coming in for the rebound. What a good goal it is. Everything